Hey everybody, it's Lady Led, and guess what? It's time for giveaway number 3. It's time for giveaway number 3, and I'm giving away something that I absolutely think is so awesome. So I'm gonna show you what it is after I make some tea. Look at that. And that smells so good. Look at all that nice color. All right, I got my tea. I feel ready now. Okay, this giveaway is gonna be a little different. I had 2 unclaimed red mustard seed packets left. So I'll be giving away a few different things in this video. And I'll give you instructions on how to enter to win all of them, because it's gonna be separate. Because I understand if you think you're entering for one thing and you get that thing, you're not gonna want it, and so on and so forth. So this is what we're gonna do. If you want an opportunity to win a packet of Easley Island red mustard seeds, and y'all see how beautiful they are once they sprout. If you want a chance to win those, in the comments, just type red mustard greens. Now, you can enter to win all of the things that I'm about to show you in this video. However, if you've already won something, or let's say you enter to win all of the things that I mentioned, but you win the first thing, then that kind of means that's what you won. You won't get to win all 3. I'm so sorry. But we gotta let other people have a little bit of fun. So that's what we're trying to do, share the fun. So we're still celebrating all 6,000 plus of you who have subscribed. I thank you. So our first giveaway is going to be for red mustard green seeds from Easley Island. If you want to enter to win those, type red mustard greens in the comments. Next prize. This next prize is one that someone won and decided that they wanted to re-gift it to one of you. And that I thought that was so awesome. So I have one more copy to give away of my book, y'all. So if you want an opportunity to win a copy of my book, type worth the wait in the comments, but make sure you spell it worth the wait. Now I only have one copy to give away for this, so I'll only be picking one winner for this. I'll pick 2 winners for the red mustard green seeds, 1 winner for a copy of my book. All right? So this next prize, y'all, Oh my goodness, that's so good. This next prize, I only have one, but it's so awesome. I believe, I think it was around Father's Day that Lead Farmer got this and opened this up. I'm trying to pick it up, it's heavy, y'all. What is this? This is called an Aris Kit from SageMarie. It comes personalized. So you see how it has an initial, one initial, and then a name that goes through the middle. That will be your initial and your name going through the middle. But guess what? This thing is not empty, y'all. Let me show you what's inside. What's inside of yours will be totally different from what's inside of this one. Because guess what? She personalizes this thing. So we've got an assortment of teas in here. Y'all saw me make the hibiscus tea earlier. An assortment, right? We've got some lavender soap here. We've got some body butters, some scrubs, some wine. Y'all, this particular kit blew our minds. This kit is gonna blow your mind because we're gonna collect some personalized information from you to make sure that when you get this thing, it's gonna be a real surprise. So you're probably wondering, how do you enter to win this one? This is what you've gotta do. For an opportunity to win this prize, you have to type my birthday in the comments. Now you probably like, especially if you're a new subscriber, like, how am I supposed to know Lady Led's birthday? I'm gonna give you a hint, it's okay. In my last live video, I actually mentioned it. So you can go back and you can scroll through that video and see if you can find it. But make sure you type it this way: the whole month, space, the day. Don't scrunch it together, don't abbreviate it, because my comment picker can only pull the exact thing that I type in there. So you won't be entered if you type, the abbreviated month, if you put a period, if you scrunch it together, all of that. I'm sorry, but that's how it works. It's a computer, y'all. Okay? So, for an opportunity to win your very own Aris Kit from SageMarie's Coffee and Tea, put Lady Led's birthday in the comments. Okay? So we'll be giving away one of those, y'all. So we've got 3 different prizes, some unclaimed prizes, some forwarded prizes from previous winners. And what's so awesome about this person who won this, she actually had won something else. And so she didn't want to hog up everything from y'all. And I thought that was so sweet. She said she wanted to donate it back so that someone else who might need this information can have access to it. So thank you so much to Sylvia who did that. I appreciate you, Sylvia. So y'all, get in on these mustard seeds. These are mustard seeds, y'all. Make sure you understand this is not something illegal. I gotta put the label on it for y'all. But yes, so here's the eligibility requirements. You must type your entries into the comments the way that I told you to type them in. That's one thing. Secondly, you have to be in the United States, because this is going to have to be shipped to you. This Heiress kit is going to have to be shipped to you. So US winners only. And then the next thing, you've got 7 days to claim your prize. And the way that you'll be claiming your prize is you'll simply, put the prize that you won in the subject and email me your mailing address. And that's it, y'all. Okay? So be on the lookout for the next live video. In that video, we'll go through the process of selecting 4 lucky winners. 2 will win red mustard green seeds. 1 will win a copy of my book. And the last one will win an Aris Kit from SageMarie's Coffee and Tea. Y'all, I don't know. Maybe that's not your thing, but I'm just amazed. And this tea is delicious, by the way. So y'all, it's Lady Led. I thank you for subscribing. I thank y'all so much for watching and being so supportive. Y'all are the best subscribers in the world.